Environmental problems in our world are becoming more and more serious. After the Industrial Revolution, the world's average temperature increased by more than 1 degree Celsius. With urbanization, excess consumption, and growing industrialization, the situation is expected to worsen. The United Nations Environment Programme has set out the roadmap needed to find a solution to this issue and keep the increase in world temperature at a certain level. To limit the temperature increase to 1.5 centigrade degrees, we need to achieve an annual reduction in greenhouse gas emissions of 7.6%. According to Yaşam Ayavefe, a successful businessman known for his environmental sensitivity, governments and companies need to share their plans transparently to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Actual cost environmental impact. Yaşam Ayavefe, founder of the NGOs under the name of Green World Climate, dealing with environmental problems at home and abroad, played an active role in the work of the afforestation. According to the successful businessman, the environmental impact of a product to calculate the actual cost of ignoring is not correct. If companies are customers on the production side, they should now act more responsibly on the consumption side. When producing a product, we need to evaluate what wastes are generated, how these wastes are managed, and the impact of this production process on the living ecosystem and nature. That is why the cost of a product is determined not only by the costs of raw materials, energy used, and labor. We also need to add the negative effects on the environment to the cost of the product. Foreign trade is now more environmentally friendly. The European Union is leading in the formulation of global environmental policies. With the European Green Agreement, the European Union aims to minimize its negative impact on nature and reach zero net greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. In line with this goal, there will be a significant change in all sectors of the economy, says Yaşam Ayavefe. The European Union plans to introduce carbon taxes on foreign trade by 2021. In this case, the carbon emissions generated during the production of each product exported to the European Union will also be included in the prices. It is not yet clear which sectors this new tax will start with and at what rates it will take place, but this regulation, which will be following the existing rules of world trade, is likely to be an example for other countries. The European Union aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in countries that trade with this tax mechanism. Green Climate World conducts various researches in environmentally sensitive economics. Environmental awareness has become an increasingly important issue in our companies as well. Achieving the goal of net zero emissions with more inclusive and more responsible policies is not a dream. As Green Climate World, we continue our efforts to spread the understanding of environmentally friendly production and increase awareness.